Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX, we are Finn here back again, and now we got our CSX freight. After after I shut the camera off after a few minutes, and I just heard after I shut off the camera, I heard the gull engineer at the next crossing down, trying to catch up to that recent freight as well. But now we have this guy now who almost turned it into a triple meet, but except he's gonna have to go slow because depending on what track he's on, if he's on if he's on the same track as that eastbound stacker was, he'll have to go slow, very slow. But if he's on the same track as the as the gull engineer was, the Lakeshore Limited was, he might not need to go out too slow because she was going pretty fast to get out of the block. So this guy should have no problem going slow behind any of them. I think I hear his rumble, so he should be appearing any sec. Depending on how slow he's going. And it sounded like he has a K5 LA on him.
CSX and Amtrak plans are over. 024, 112 for what do you think? Roger, signal location over.
That's him revving up. I hear him. I hear. There he is. He has his light off though. That means he probably exited the train yard or something, or... Yep, he turned it back on. seems like he did exit the train yard or something, maybe because he's on that fall track, that siding track, I think, where he's coming from, I think so. Because he's way to the right. He might be switching on to maybe the same track that the stacker was on that came before the Lakeshore was to go engineer, I think. Yep. Well, yeah, so this freight might be switching onto that one, or yeah, we'll see. he goes. Nice K5LA on him, was a friendly crew, and had a few, had a SD70 Mac in it, in the engine lineup as well.